My name is Mary Alvarez. I'm originally from Costa Rica and I grew up in Winston-Salem, North Carolina. I completed my undergraduate degree at North Carolina State University in Sustainable Materials and Technology. So I ended up choosing Virginia Tech because a lot of my mentors and a lot of my professors back at NC State, basically, they all went to Virginia Tech at some point, or they all highly recommended coming here for graduate school because the program is really top rated and it's really an incredible program in everything that they do. And so it was a little bit more geared towards the type of research that I was wanting to do also. I was wanting to do research based off of just kind of like sustainability, kind of vaguely, but more than anything else, just looking at wood and wood mechanics. So my research is sponsored by the Pallet Foundation and also by the National Wood Pallet and Container Association. My research is basically an investigation of palletized drums and pails and really investigating how they respond in different conditions during the distribution, specifically warehousing. And we're basically collecting all that data by looking at the amount of deflection that's happening kind of in the wood pallet itself, and we're also collecting the pressure mat readings to verify the model that's going to go into the hopefully next update for the pallet design system, which is a software created by the National Wood Pallet and Container Association. It's meant to help industry in that we're basically trying to come up with a pallet design that's going to be cost effective and will also really prevent your pallets from ever reaching catastrophic failure. So for example, my research is currently looking at multiple different pallet designs and everything, and different variations from bottom deck boards to just completely different designs. And so what we're wanting to do with all that information is come up with one design that will be pretty good, will really cut back on costs and everything, and cut back on materials, and kind of also promote that sustainability side of it all. My future career goals are hopefully to work in the industry directly in packaging, either in unit load design or just as a general packaging engineer. This project is really helpful in that because I'm really starting to understand more of the principles and the actual physics of unit loads and everything. So far we've completed the drum portion of my project, and so right now we're just kind of sifting through all that data and coming up with actual results and analyzing. Working as lab manager has been great. Honestly, getting to work with undergraduates in kind of a different type of setting and really building up those professional skills in terms of project management and also understanding what actually goes into a typical packaging test sequence, learning how to set up all these machines and tests and learning all the different standards are incredibly helpful when it comes to actually being a professional in the industry itself. Probably my favorite thing about being here is just learning about all the different machines. So back where I did my undergraduate, we really didn't have like a packaging program, and so I didn't know that there were so many machines and different things that we could complete that were done on wood pallets and everything, and so that's just been incredible to learn about, and I've absolutely fallen in love with it.